Hi, I'm Dr. Perez of Compassionate Chiropractic. Today I'm going to demonstrate a full spine adjustment. First, I'm getting a feel for the spine. These blocks are to help. It's a low force technique. They assist in the adjustment. Use a combination of techniques including my hands, a gentle force, as well as activator instrument, which can be adjusted. Also a low force technique. Sometimes I do trigger point release. There's very little movement in the neck, just more range of motion, so it seems like more, but it's really not. It's a little louder near your ears. It's the same as manipulating the mid-back or low back. This adjustment is for the lumbar vertebrae, the low back. Is that okay? And that concludes our segment on the full spine adjustment.